Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see percentage to fraction, fraction to decimal, and vice versa also. Means fraction to percentage, decimal to fraction, all these conversions in the percentage. In method 1, percentage to fraction. Remove the percent symbol, write the number over 100 and simplify it. Means we are converting percentage to fraction. Means instead of 25%, we are representing it as a fraction 25 by 100, like that. Basically 25% means 25 per cent. Cent means 100. 25 per 100, so which means 25 divided by 100, which gives 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100, which gives 1 by 4. And I hope you all know these calculation parts, how we are dividing. So please, if you want to know these things, please watch the previous videos. Okay, 50% means 50 per cent. Basically, as I told, percentage to fraction means remove this symbol 50%, remove this symbol and just write the number over 100, means 50 over 100, like that. 50 ones are 52s are, which gives us 1 by 2. 75% means 75 per 100. 25 threes are 25 fours, which gives 3 by 4. Next 20% means 20 out of 100, which gives 21s are 25s are, which is 1 by 5. 1 by 5, this is 3 by 5. 40% means 40 per 100, which gives us 22s are 25s are, which is 2 by 5. And next, fraction to percentage means vice reverse. Fraction to the percent. Suppose assume I gave as 1 by 2. How to convert this fraction to percentage? See, multiply the fraction by 100%. That's it. What is 100%? 100% means 100 by 100 means what it gives? 1. So if you multiply 1 by 2 into 1, it is 1 by 2 only. So instead of that 100 by 100, I will write 100%. So like that, 1 by 2 into 100%, value won't change. 1 by 2 will remain 1 by 2, because 1 by 2 into 100% means 100 per 100, which gives 1 only. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 2 only. But to convert percent, I am multiplying 1 by 2 into 100%. Basically percent symbol tells that it is divided by 100. That's it. So 1 by 2 into 100% gives 2 ones are 2 50s are, which gives us 50%. We just divided the number, percent remains same, so 250 50%. Here you can see 1 by 2 means 50%. 1 by 4, 1 by 4 into 100%. 4 ones are 4 25s are, means 25 into 21 25, 25%. Like that, 3 by 4 means 75%. 3 by 4 into 100%. 4 ones are 4 25s are, 25 threes are 75, which gives 75%. 2 by 5 means 2 by 5 into 100%. 5 ones are 5 20s are, 2 twos are 40%. 3 by 5 means 60%. I hope you understood. Means just 2 by 5 we are multiplying 100%. You are not at all changing the value, because 100% means 1 only. 100 by 100, which gives 100 1. So now comes percentage to decimal. Remove the percent symbol, divided by 100. That's it. I'll tell. Don't remember this. Just I will tell the process here. Give me a second. Okay. We'll solve one by one here. Here only. Let me take some spaces. Then we'll solve it one by one. Okay. See here. 25% to decimal. Decimal means 25% means 25 by 100, right? And as I told in previous videos, decimal basics, I told how if divided by 100 or multiplied by 100, if any number of zeros, means If divided by, then the decimal point goes left side. Divide, decimal goes left. Multiply, decimal goes right side, right? Means suppose assume 25 divided by 100 means divided by, right? Decimal goes left side. You might have asked, where is decimal point here? We can put decimal point, right? 25 can be written as 25.00. Value won't change, right? 100. It goes left side. How many places? Depends on number of zeros here. How many zeros? 2. So it goes 1, 2. So it's 0.25, right? So that's why here you can see it is a 0.25. 50%, 50 divided by 100, divided by means left side, decimal point goes left side. 50 can be written as 50.00, so 1 place 2 place, which is 0.50. So here 0.5, 0.5 or 0.50, anything you can write. 75% means 75 by 100. As I told, 75 can be written as 75.0000, any number of zeros, divided by 100. Divided by means left side 1, 2. So it gives 0.75, right? Here you can see 20%, 20 by 100. 20 can be written as 20.00. Or you can write any 00 also, because it won't change, right? That's why 1 place 2 place, which gives 0.20, 0.20. That's it. Okay, 5%. 5.00 or 0.500 divided by 100, anything. This remains 5 only, right? Its value is still 5 only. Just I am writing a decimal point. After decimal I am writing some zeros. Before number also I am writing some zeros. It won't change the value. So 100 divided by means left side 1, 2. So it gives 0.05. This is the value. Next, decimal to percentage. Here you might have seen we are dividing, right? To convert decimal. Just reverse the process. Here dividing, just multiply here. Means multiply the decimal by 100. If it is 0.2 means just multiply with 100. Then it will give us 20%, like that. Okay, multiply by the decimal by 100, add the symbol, means basically multiply 100%. That's it. 0.25 into 25%, sorry, 0.25 into 100%, which gives us 25%. See, as I told, multiplication means decimal goes right side, 1, 2, number of zeros 2, so 2 places, so it becomes 25%. 0.5 into 100%, 2 places, so 1, 2, which gives 50. Here we can write number of zeros, so 1, 2 means 50%. 0.75 into 100, 1 place 2 place, which gives 75%. 0.2 means 20%. 0.05 means 0.05 into 100%, which gives 1 place 2 place 5%. So it is 5%. Here are some more questions for you. Please try to solve and let me know the answers in the comment section. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.